Okay, so on this one, we have a second power on a parenthesis with a root thing. What do we do about that? Well, here's the common mistake. A lot of people think, oh, you can just square that and square that. So it's just a plain 7, 6, 1, done. No, you can't do that. Why not? What do you got to do? Instead, you've got to write 2 of them, right? That's what a 2 power means on anything, doesn't it? It means 2 of them. So you have to actually write 2 of them like that. You can't just square the individual parts. You got to write 2 of them. And then what do we do from there? Well, now you know first one has to go to both. And when he's done, the second one goes to both, right? You know how to multiply 2 parentheses. First to both, second to both. Okay, so when we multiply, here we go. It's going to be root 7 is root 49, right? Root 7, and then root 7 times root 6. That's a negative root 6, actually, is negative root 42. Okay, and now this is a negative root 6. Careful, take whatever sign is in front of something, that's their sign. You got to take that with it wherever it goes. So negative root 6 times root 7 is negative. Root 42 and negative root 6 times negative root 6. 2 negatives positive root 36. Did you see that? Negative times negative made positive root 36 there. Okay, and then that root 49 in the front is just 7, no more root. When you root a number, the root vanishes. These, what happens in the middle? Well, here, this root 36 at the back is just going to be 6 back there. The very back, this is just going to be 6. Colors. The root of 36 is just 6. When you root a number, the root vanishes. Now, what happens in the very middle? Well, if you broke it down, you'd be like 6 times 7, and the 6 would be 2 times 3, 2, 3, 7. That's not going to simplify, is it? There's not 2 of anything. There's a single 2, a single 3, a single 7. So we can't simplify those roots, right? You can only simplify a root if it's a rootable number, like 49 can be rooted and 36 can be rooted. Or if when you break it down, there's 2 of something. It's a 2 for 1 ship out. Well, there's not 2 of anything. When I break down 42, it's 6 times 7, and 6 is 2 times 3. So it's just a single 2, a single 3, a single 7. It's not going to simplify. So what? Then just leave it. My point is you just got to leave it. You cannot simplify some numbers. Which numbers? Numbers that break down, there's not 2 of anything, right? There's just 1 of everything. It's not going to simplify. So it stays that way. Okay, well, then what do we do? Well, it's like roots. Remember, there's 1 of these and 1 of these. Minus 1 root 42 minus another root 42 is minus 2 roots of 42. That might surprise you. Do you see that? Those are like, these guys in the middle are like roots, aren't they? They both have the same exact root pattern. It's like minus x, which is really minus 1x, minus 1x, minus 2x. Roots, adding and subtracting roots is just like adding and subtracting letters. Like terms, right? Same letters with same letters, same roots with same roots. And then in that case, you only add, subtract the numbers in the front. So minus 1x minus another x is minus 2x. Now, we're not done. Last step, the 7 in the front and the 6 in the back can add to be 13. Right? They add to be 13 because they're just plain old numbers. And here we're done. A lot of people make a mistake at this point, and they think you can go 13 take away 2 is 11. I'll write that up here and cross it out. No. You cannot subtract those numbers. Why? They're not like roots. Remember, you can only add and subtract roots that match. This is like looking at 13 minus 2x. You can't subtract those. Right? It has to just stay that way. If this 13 had its own root of 42, then I could do it. I could take 13 roots of 42 minus 2 roots of 42, and that'd be 11 roots of 42, but he doesn't. He's a plain 13. So we're done right there. 13, take away 2 root 42. There we go.